Headlight restoration. As we can see here, we got a pretty decent looking headlight, terrible looking fog light, and a very yellow looking headlight here. So which one works best? Well, we tried two brands today, and we're gonna go show you what they are. And here you go. So about 9 months ago, almost to the day, I tried both of these. I tried the Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer, which has some pretty solid claims back here. We'll go over those in a minute. And we tried the tried and true Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit, which clearly states right here, keeps clear 1 year. Lab tested. Well, we're gonna go ahead and go through this step by step, and I'll show you which one is actually which headlight. Alright, so first up, the Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer. So before we get into this, I want everybody to know that I went through every single one of these instructions, followed it word for word, read it several times, and I'm going to go ahead and take a look inside here. And it comes with lubricant, comes with the clarifying compound, and it comes with the number 1, number 2, 3, and 4 sides of the polishing pads here. And yep, every instruction was followed to the T. I even gave it its 24-hour curing time. And let's move right along. Alright, next up, the Meguiar's. This one, it's pretty simple. It states to shake the product well and make sure it's clean and dry before you apply it. And, you know, the instructions are pretty easy. It comes with one of these felt pads. It comes with the headlight coating, which I still got plenty of, and the cleaning solution, and a spare pad. Don't know if that was a mistake in there, but I got 2 of them. But yeah, and so let's check out some of these guys' claims right here, which they actually don't really have any. It just says that it's a way to restore headlight clarity and prevent reoxidation for 1 year. Now we have something totally different for the Turtle Wax. So they actually say on here, designed to remove oxidation, well, medium oxidation and yellowing to improve headlight performance. I'll try to get these really close up here. Well, you could pause the video here if you need to read it yourself, but I'm about to read it to you anyway. But it says lens base coat and sealing wipe system protect and prolong lens clarity for years. And I quote, it says for years. Pretty bold claims to say for years on there, not knowing that, you know, there's different environments within the United States. It says save money, no need to spend hundreds on new headlights. Okay. Superior results without the need for a drill or power tool. I actually didn't use a drill or power tool for this one either, though. So there you have it. And so before I tell you which headlight restoration worked on which headlight, I just want you to know something. Out here in the desert, and please don't mind the grill. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to getting the chrome right on this thing. But for ambient temperature, it's 107 out here. Don't know if you guys can see that, but the concrete itself is about 114, and this headlight is about 107 degrees right now. So this has already been here through pretty much an entire summer, entire winter, and the truck stays parked just like this, where the sunlight gets equal on both sides, both headlights, just the same. And so it's a very fair test. And in this environment, I'll go ahead and let you know the Turtle Wax. This was the result, and you can see where the wipe sealant was if you look real closely at it, and you can kind of see where the stripes are. So yeah, and this is the tried and true Meguiar's. And just so you know, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I bought all these with my own money and tried it out myself just to see how durable the coating actually is. for this sitting out and baking in the hot sun, 110, 115 degrees day in, day out, every day, and it never gets garaged or gets placed indoors, it actually did a wonderful job. I'll come back in about 3 or 4 months and do a full year checkup. I actually just can't stand the way it looks. I might actually just end up doing the McGuire's on this left side too, just to have the truck look like the other side. So thanks a lot for watching, guys.